There we go. It's exactly what I thought. It's a shad. Another shad, guys. And that's bait for the big catfish. I got another shad. It's not what I want. Definitely not what I want. But at least I'm catching fish. I can't complain with that. The size of that one. That is a shad right there, guys. I don't know what the deal is with this, but look, we get nothing but shad today. There's another one. Unfortunately, it's not a bass. Guess what, guys? I think it's time to go home with this kind of action. Looks like all we're doing is catching bait. Still a lot of fun, but it's not what I'm looking for.